in this scenario, if I have two sisters and everything goes to us equally, how does that work?
Yeah, that can work a number of ways. I certainly tend to err on the side of saying, hey guys, let's talk about liquidation of the property and just splitting the proceeds. But certainly, I mean, I know we've all had the clients that insist on co owning property after mom and dad have passed. Um, we all do our best to counsel the pros and cons of that kind of arrangement. Um, Certainly, from a practical side for the trustee is just making sure that the property is secure. Um, of course, we have the cases where there are tenants in the property or people that didn't necessarily have a legal right to remain there, and we deal with those issues as they come. But generally, the more vanilla case is like you said, Lori, mom passed, she had her residence. It's you and your two siblings. Then you go in there, you secure it, you make sure it's adequately insured, we get it ready for sale, and we sell it.
I think securing it's important. I think some people say, "Oh, well, we know who had access." You don't always know who had access.
Mhm.
Mom might have given the cleaning lady that hasn't been there in 5 years a key, or the caregiver had a key. It's always good to take the step of making sure everything's locked up, especially when you're the trustee and you're responsible to the other beneficiaries for everything that's in that.
One of the other first steps is contacting the insurance company that carries the homeowner's insurance policy, because you wouldn't want anything to jeopardize a claim that might need to be made. And they need to be notified immediately. They need to know about the death. They need to know who the successor trustee is. And they need to update the policy accordingly. And one of the things that they're going to need to know and want to know is if the property is secure, who's there, who's not there, who has access to it. And insurance companies don't want to be here at all right now. So they're always looking for ways to get out of paying claims. So you want to do everything by the book with them as well.